Hey guys, welcome back to another video of wildest weather on Earth. No, not on this wildest weather now. So this is more like, this is a potential snowstorm that could hit the U.S. You could see the storm, but if this storm moves any more, if it goes a little bit farther north than it model, because it keeps creeping, we're like in the snow, okay? This could bring our first major snow of the season if it moves north. The forecast is going to change for us, but we are potentially going to see 3 to 5 inches of snow this week. But right now, we got this storm to focus on. You can see very heavy snowfall, severe weather on the southern end. Okay, this is something not to be playing about, but there is a potential for a snowstorm. I'll check you guys. The models. I gotta. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Yep, there's a couple potentials for the two storms. But the first one, Thursday, I got a forecast to show you on Thursday. No snow as of right now, but that could change. It's cloudy, so if it changes, we could see a snowstorm. But I'm looking at Thursday night. 1 to 3 inches, 60%. But if the chances go up, we'll see 3 to 5. So that's a potential for a snowstorm here. But right now the models are showing a couple snowstorms here. In the model, but the one that might really bring us snow is this one. West Virginia could see up to a foot of snow. Let's check out the snowfall amounts. Look how much snow. There is about to be an inch here. But look at that. But the next storms are coming in. It's gonna drop something. Watch this. Look at the snow reveal. Boy, it just lights up. Look at that. 23 inches. So we could see a couple snowstorms this week. So let's check out the temperatures with this storm. Okay, no, not them. Look at the cold that just comes. But look, this is what we're gonna check out the real towards the east east coast here. This is the eastern U.S., but look, there is a storm that's going to bring severe weather to North Carolina. Okay, this is the storm on Tuesday. Look at that. See, that's the warm air, but there's that severe weather. But look right there. Just look right there. Look at that. Just look at that. This storm is going to bring snow right here. See that where that warm air is? Let's check out the... Here's his storm here. That's Monday. It starts in Alabama. Yeah. But the storm will try to reach Fayette. Look how major it becomes. See that area? But if the storm goes farther north, consequences could be catastrophic. If this storm keeps creeping like this, we're going to check out the model runs later on this afternoon, in this evening, to see if this model changes. But on this, okay, on that end is where the severe weather is going to happen. See right in there on that end right here? On that end right there, it's going to produce severe weather, okay? Look how major that is. A mid-Atlantic snowstorm. Look at that. But if this storm, we're very close. There's a potential here for some snow. This is really major. Wow, that's heavy. That is some heavy snow, y'all. That's real heavy, man. Let's check out the winter weather alerts. Let's go to forecast. Let's go to forecast. Here's where the snow is happening. So we got tornado watches down in here, tornado watches here, freeze warnings here. But what the main thing is, winter storm warnings. But if the storm moves a little bit north, we could have winter weather advisories up here and warnings up here. But right here, we've got all those warnings. Okay, that's all those warnings. Models, let's go to the GFS model. That's where I want to check for the storm. So the storm is going to develop. You can see the snow up here on the weather models, but we're going to go into Monday. That's when the storm is going to become strong. What the hell? This is the GFS, right? Yes. We're going into Monday. Monday 3rd. Here's that storm, okay? It forms. You can see the heavy snow that's trying to form here. You see the model here, it's where it's trying to form and stuff like that. But if we go here to Monday Nanos, it gets even stronger. Look how heavy that is. Severe weather tornadoes are going to occur here. This is a crazy dynamic storm. See, it leaves, but we're going to Monday 12 laws now. The storm, it tries to hit my area too. Look at that. There's the snow in my area. But that right there is going to drop very heavy snow. Look at this. Right here is where the severe weather is going to hurt. Look at the soundings in this. There is a potential here for classic supercell, marginal severe. We got a little bit of a tilted line here. But we're going to check out the snowfall on this. Let's get out of here. Let's check out winter weather. Total accumulated snowfall. Here is that snowfall. We got 1 inch over here. Where we're at in Fayette, we could see 1. But look at this area here. Look at the snow accumulations here. There's 14, but there's also a storm that could come out a little bit light out. Look how much snow this area is going to get now. The end of it's right here. Look at this. Look at this. See, the models are predicting at some point out 4 inches. Look at that. Look at down here. 51 inches of snow. What in the world? Look up here. 7. What on earth? Look. 90. We got a 90 reading. Look at that. 90 reading. 90 reading. That's crazy. Oh, look at that. Just look at this. That's crazy. Look at this. We got a 51, 52 inches of snow here. But look at this. West Virginia. Yeah, there's going to be plenty of snow to come in. So be ready. Be ready for this. We got plenty of snow coming. Finally, all. Plenty of snow. "24-hour accumulated snowfall." Look at this. Yeah, all the models. Look at this. Nothing. Look at this. Fayette County is like right there. But the more south you get, big sliver of snow here. But by the time we ended on this note, yep. Let's go to PA weather action really quick. Let's see what's showing. Nothing on the radar right now, but this GFS model, it just shows it right here. It shows us getting hammered with multiple snowstorms, okay? Look, the lake effect don't hit Fayette County. But the next, look at this. There's a snowstorm here. But if this gets any stronger, here goes another snowstorm. Look at that. It starts like this and it swirls around like a little hurricane. Look at that. See, there's that snow here, okay? It gets really cold behind us. As we head to January 18th, 2022. So, yes. We're going to zoom in on our little storm here. Here it comes. Look at that. Oh my. Look. Look how heavy that is. Look at that. There it is. Look at that. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to Wildest Weather.